Numbers are represented by using symbols. In decimal system, digits are used to represent numbers. In this video, let us see two numeral systems, unary numeral system and binary numeral system. Unary numeral system. It is the simplest one numeral system in which every natural number is represented by using symbol 1. For example, 1, 1, 1, it will represent integer 3. Use of tally mark is the application of unary system in which Latin letter I is used instead of 1. For example, natural number 7 is represented as binary numeral system. This numeral system uses only two symbols 0 and 1 to represent a number. Hence, it is a base 2 numeral system. Each symbol is referred as bit and any number is represented by sequence of bits. The binary numeral system is used by all computers and computer-based devices. Now, we will see how to convert a decimal number to binary number. Let us consider decimal number 11. As binary numeral system has base 2, divide 11 by number 2. So we will get quotient 5 and remainder 1. Now quotient 5 is divided by 2. We will have quotient 2 and remainder 1. Now we will divide 2 by 2. So the quotient will be 1 and remainder is 0. Now 1 is divided by 2. So we will have quotient 0 and remainder 1. Binary number is represented by the remainder. Writing remainder for quotient 0 to the remainder for decimal number 11. Hence, binary form of number 11 will be 1, 0, 1, 1. Now question is how to convert decimal fraction into the binary form. For example, 7.1249. In the given example, in the given number, 7 is an integer. So we will convert 7 into binary form using the previous method. That means 7 will be divided by 2. Obtained quotient is again divided by 2 and we do this procedure up till we get 0 as a quotient. Now the number after decimal point. For that we will multiply number by 2 and that product is multiplied by again by 2 so that we will get the product as an integer. In the given number 0.1249 is multiplied by 2, obtained product 0.2498 is again multiplied by 2 till we get last product as 1.9992 and hence binary form of 7.1249 will be 1011.0001. Next video will be conversion of binary numbers to the decimal numbers.